Next we take this below engine mounting in what is in most bottom area in engine, and there are these 17mm bolts what I next remove in here, in that area, and also in here, and I take these bolts away in this area, and then this engine below mounting is free. And now I am opening, and we need long this 19mm spanner, and using that device I can open these bolts in this side, and then that one also in this way. Good, and they rotate nicely, and then this another bolt in this area in here. And then I take a little bit faster tools that I can remove these faster way. Okay, and now I take my electric driver. And there is this another side bolt, and then this one. It is free. And then we take this another bolt in this direction in here. Open this side in here. Okay, good. And then my task is to remove this bolt. And now this whole components, they are possible, it is possible to remove in that way. Excellent. And now engine is now movable. It moves in here. Excellent. And then in this Prius engine and gearbox removal, it is important that we install support jack stands in below of that engine, because soon this engine collapse little bit down, and that's there have to be in steel or wooden these support things in below of engine block and gearbox this block. Good. And let's look that when we adjust this engine in just directly in this area. Now we lift down our engine body in that way. Now it's good, excellent. And we adjust this with jack stands.